All right, so to the left, we have the bathrooms. Got a sink here. Water. The hotel's a little bit outdated and older, as you can see. You know, you can see things are a little different, a little questionable. So, yeah, here we have towels. You got a hanging rack here. Got the shower. The shower is nice and big. I was pleasantly surprised. So, got the dual. So my husband could be over here, and I could be over here. So we will take advantage of that. Then you got the water room. See up close. Okay, that's the bathroom. Nice little space. Some space. We come in here. Got the closets. Okay, got hangers. And you got a safe, of course, which we probably won't use. Not this time. We're not here for a long time. Got an iron, more hangers, and a rack for your suitcases. Here's our suitcases. As y'all know, I normally don't keep mine on the floor. I like to prop mine up or put it on the rack, but we were starving, dropped them off, and kept moving. The bed. Got a nightstand here. Telephone. The jack is occupied back there. Here's the lamp. So yeah, this may not be the hotel for you. Like I say, we're only here for a night. We're only here for a night because our flight was delayed.
Bruh. Y'all, this is absolutely disgusting.
So these things will not be acceptable, but like whatever. Here's the bed. Nice and spacious. Here's another nightstand. Okay. Lamp, clock, remote. Trying to find more outlets. Have you seen outlets yet, babe?
I had to unplug the lamp to get to one.
All right, so here we got the coffee station, more water, television. He had to unplug the lamp just for an outlet. I'm all about outlets because I got my cell phone, computer. Okay. In here we got a fridge. They got some drinks, Coke, water, Fanta. Got your ice bucket, waters, drawers. Now, this to me is, I mean, if you just got a night, you're not trying to go too far, I think it'll work. Got your table, 2 chairs. It ain't the best, but you know, it's not horrible. Not horrible at all.
Despite what the wife said, this room was trash tier.
Got a little mirror to my husband. It's not horrible. Just for a night.
And that one night was the longest night of our lives.
Baby, help me out on the balcony. So here's the balcony. Husband got his shoes out here drying. And it's dark out, so. But it's a cool little, you got a table, 2 chairs. It's nighttime, so it's pretty dark. And it's raining, but here's the view. So, not too much, but for one night it'll do. Give me some sleep. I probably wouldn't suggest it for like a long vacation, because this really isn't our type of resort. But honey, if you're here for a night, you do what you gotta do. Got a lamp. Let me show y'all the AC. Here's the AC. We cut ours off because it was freezing. And babe, what's our room number? 1108. Sorry about that. We got our AC off right now. So you see how stuff is kind of outdated and just a little crusty. It's a little crusty, y'all. Y'all know I'm gonna give y'all a real deal Holyfield. Get up in them cracks. But like I said, for one night, it'll do. All right, y'all. Oh, Lord. Help them, Jesus. Help them. That is my room tour. Anything we discover overnight, you know, we got y'all. and we'll give you more tips later.